In this video we will make this model. This is built in a park in San Antonio, USA. It consists of a conceptual mass-type family component which is placed in a project file. Open a conceptual mass family type template. Go to one of the elevations and place 3 reference planes. Name the reference planes. Place aligned dimensions between the level and the reference planes and create their corresponding parameters. At the level 1, place 3 concentric circles at the intersection of the planes. Hold each circle and check inside the box is reference line and center mark visible. Align all the center marks to both the planes. Use multiple align to align at once all the centers to each plane. Create a radius parameter for each circle. Hold each circle and change its position from level 1 to its corresponding reference plane. Change the units of the file to meters. Hold all the 3 circles and create a form. Compare with the picture to get the idea of the proportions. Change the parameter values such that a desired proportion is reached. Hold the form and dissolve it. Go back to the level 1 and place 1 point at each of the circles. Hold all the circles and change the measurement type value to angle and right angle equal to 0. Place one more point each at the 3 circles and change to angle type and create a parameter for the angle. Since we want 5 components arranged in the circular manner, right angle is equal to 360 degrees divided by 5. -2 for the spaces in between the components. Place a point at the smallest circle between the 2 points and assign an angle parameter, and right angle 2 is equal to angle divided by 2. Join the 3 points at the smallest circle with a spline. Join the 2 points at the bigger circles with a spline and place a point at the midpoint. Set a horizontal plane at the middle point and place one more point. Assign an offset parameter to this point and assign a value such that the point falls on the lower side. Join the 3 points with a spline. Repeat the same for the biggest circle as well. Hold the 3 curved lines and create a form. Do not forget to make the curves as reference lines by checking the box is reference line. Hold the form and assign a new material parameter. Create a new project file and load this family into the project file. Go to the Massing and Site button and make sure Show Mass is on. Place the component at the level 1. This is a mass and will be invisible if the Show Mass button is turned off. Go back to the first file and delete the formula that we wrote for the angle. And reload the family into the project file. Hold the component and rotate it around the center by 36 degrees. Hold the 2 of them together and rotate around the center by 72 degrees. Rotate the last one again by 36 degrees. Change the units to meters. Hold one of the components and create a mirror image. Move a bit to create the space. Hold the component and place the center at the center and rotate by 36 degrees. In the same manner, rotate and copy the component around the circle. Use mirror to mirror the components as shown. To assign material to the components, go to the Massing and Site button and press Wall. Duplicate the type and change the wall thickness and assign the material. Turn on the Realistic View from the Visual Styles menu. Pick each component to assign the material. Copy and rotate or mirror to get the desired composition of the components. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.